Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see how to generate a PDF file from scratch here in Java. So first, let's create a new project. Click Java application. Name this one as PDF generator. Hit finish. So here we have an empty class file called PDF generator. But before we can proceed with the coding, we have to link our itextpdf in the libraries. So click add jar file folder itextpdf. So it will automatically be added here. Now here in this area, we can now call our document, and we create document object called doc, and then document new document parenthesis and semicolon. So we have an error here because we haven't imported yet the document namespace. So just click add and the error will be gone. Also, we will be needing the PDF writer instance. So that get instance, we will use the third one, and then the first parameter will be the document instance. So this is the doc instance, and then here will be our path where we should save our PDF example. So new file output stream, and then the path where we wanted to save our example PDF. So I'm going to put my PDF here in an empty reports folder. So copy the path and then save into the uh, Java projects. So but I'm going to modify the path from double backward slash into single forward slash, and then the name of the PDF will be test PDF report .pdf, and then the semicolon. So we have an error here, so let's check add import for java file.io. Yeah, let's click that one, and then we are going also to be needing to put our code inside our try catch statement. So try catch, so that we can see the error if we have an error. Okay, and then we will put this statement inside the try. Yeah, and then next will be to open the doc, open our doc instance, and then we also need to have the close, and then we need to add a paragraph. So doc dot add paragraph. No, doc dot add okay, no, not add author, but doc dot add element, and then we call this new paragraph, and then inside here is the text that we wanted to display. So sample header text here, and then parenthesis, not parenthesis, semicolon, and then add import for com.itextpdf.paragraph. Yes, we are going to be needing that. And then okay, let's try to see what we have here so far. Let's try to run this first and run file. We cannot see if there's an error or none, so we need to have a message here. and a PDF file has been created. So build again and then run file. So we have the message here, a PDF file has been created. So let's go to our folder. So this is the PDF so far. Let's hope we have, yeah, we have the sample message on the top portion of the PDF. So now the next thing we need to do is to create a table and a cell. We will add this table and cell to the paragraph or the PDF. So let's put a comment here. So this is start of the paragraph, and then this will be end of the paragraph. Now our table is start of the table, and then we will be calling the PDF p table, and we call this one as table, equals new PDF p table. And let's try to add only 2 columns, so let's make it easy for now. And then we will import this one, add import for our PDF table. And then now that we have the table, we are going to add a cell on this table. So we will be calling the PDF p cell, yeah, PDF p cell, and we will call the object as cell object is equal to new PDF cell, and then semicolon, but inside the parenthesis we will pass here the new praise, and then here whatever the column header. So let's try to put for an example as asset name. And then now that we have that, we are going to add this cell into our table. So table dot add PDF cell. So we will copy this one and paste inside and semicolon. So let's remove this error for now by importing the text phrase. Oops, we still have the error PDF because of this one, PDF p, and then PDF p cell. So what is the error now? Yeah, the error is gone. Now we need one more column because we indicate 2 on our table, so we will add one more. So cell object is equal to new PDF p cell, and then inside we will create a new phrase, and we will call this one as description, for example. So there's no error, but we still need to add this into our table. So this is, now we have the header file and 2 column. So we'll try to see first and see how it looks. A PDF file has been created. Let's see if we have the columns here. We don't have the columns, so we'll check our code. Yeah, this is correct. Yeah, correct. No, we need to have a data, for example. So our data will be hard coded for the for this video. So we'll be hard coded. So we'll try to add table dot add cell, and then we'll try to, as an example, let's try to put sample text here. Another one, sample text for asset name, and then again another one for description will be here, description text will be here, and then I think we also need yeah, this one, doc dot add element, then we will add the table, and then yeah, so let's try to run first and see what it looks like. A PDF file has been created, and open. Yeah, so we have here the header text and our 2 columns and 2 rows. However, let's put some space so that the header text and the table will have an extra space. So just copy this one, paste in down, and then delete the text inside. So build again, and then run file. PDF file has been created. Let us check once again. Yeah, so this is an example, guys, of creating a PDF file in Java using the itextjar file, this one. But the sample that we have here is the data that we have passed into our PDF file is hard-coded. So in the next video, we are going to generate reports, create a PDF reports based on the data here in our add asset database and add asset application. So thank you guys for watching.